Hi everyone. WordCamp Europe is coming to an end. It's the second day of the conference, and here I am with VIneet, my dear friend. We met a few years ago. I'm not going to say how many because it will make me look old. At WordCamp Skopje, and he's been a speaker, volunteer at many WordCamps with a lot of experience. So yeah, he has a lot to tell. VIneet, please introduce yourself.
Thank you so much for meeting me. It's always pleasure meeting you, man. I remember we met at, I think, WordCamp Skopje in 2019. It's been 7 years. My God. Time passes by so fast. Interesting.
Sure.
You know, and the funny part about these camps are, I feel, that you met somebody and say, hey, I've seen you somewhere. I've seen you at that event or this event. Or so that was fun. I'm a developer. I live in Germany, and most of my time goes towards helping companies, people solve their tech problems. So I'm like a problem solver, you can say. But I did all of them in past as well. I used to previously run a media company as well. I did podcast. I did WordCamps, public talk. I think I did like 20 of them, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 20.
I watched at least a few of your speeches, and I remember you made a very interesting talk in a local WordCamp about UX and design. So how did you come up with this topic?
So, funny story. When I started doing WordCamp talks, I noticed that people come here, to have fun. They don't want to learn. You know why? Because they're learning in their life, right? They watch YouTube videos and stuff like that. They're here to have fun because they're meeting people. So if I'm teaching them on the stage, that's not good. So what I try to do is make it fun. I present my interesting take about websites, when the user experiences, and show with memes, and not really roasting, I must say, but I would say a critical review of the websites about how I see it, how other people see it. It's just to get developers this kind of thought, because we as a developer, we build first, we talk to users later. But it should be opposite. You should be talking to your users first and then building it. So that's the kind of thought I'll try to imbibe in my talks.
Yeah, that's a really good point, VIneet. And how do you find the conference so far? We have some you have some fun, right?
Yeah, no, event was so great. I arrived, I think, end of, so contributor day, but quite late. So I've joined yesterday and today. I was volunteering this time. I wanted to see from the other side what's going on. How do you run the conference? Because it's a community event. Everything is run by community people or volunteers. I was running as a track manager, making sure that conference runs on time. So that was very challenging, but very nice. And today I was also volunteering. I met so many people which are like, hey, we met you there. Hey, I met you there. It was fun. I had a good chat. It's more like, for me, like catching up with people. And you usually see them once a year. So yeah, it's an extended WordPress family, I must say.
Yeah, it was a really great event. Thank you very much, VIneet.
Pleasure meeting you once again, man. Have a lovely day.
You too.